Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create Google Form Survey Questionnaire. So first is you have to make sure that you have logged in to your Google account, and then you have to open in your browser, and then using the search bar is you just have to go to google.com and then type out Google Form, and then you'd be able to see this website. So you just have to click on it and you'd be redirected to this new tab. Then what you're going to do is you have to check that you have logged in to your Google account. Now you just have to start with the blank form. Okay, so start a new form, so just click on this option over here. And then what you're going to do next is you have to make sure that you have created a title for this survey form or survey questionnaire. So I'm just going to name this one as survey. And of course, do not forget to add a description of this form. Okay, so you just have to click on this section over here and then type out your form description. Okay, so now let us start creating our questions and then adding the options. First is you have to type out right here your first question. So for example, you're asking about your gender, so you just have to type out gender and then make sure to choose the multiple choice. And next is you have to type out right here your option 1. So let's say male, and then you can now click on the add option to add your second option, or female. And then for the third option, you can type out right here other, so you just have to click on the add option. Okay, so just type out other, and then next is you have to create your second question. So what you're going to do is to click on this plus icon over here to add a question. Now for the question number 2, for example, you are asking about their full name, so you have to type out right here full name, and then you have to make sure that for the format is you have to choose the short answer. So just click on this option over here and then select short answers so they can type out their full name over here, and make sure to toggle the switch on for the required button. Okay, that's right. So now for the third question, we just going to click on this add question once again, and then we have to select our category. So for example, checkbox, and then we are asking about your favorite food or favorite fruits. So you just had to type right here favorite fruits or your question. Okay, so of course for the option number 1, you have to type right here the possible fruits that your respondent were going to choose. Okay, for the option 1, maybe I'll type it right here apple, and then for the second option we have orange, and then for the third option we have grapes, and then for the last option we have banana. And then you can also type it right here other, in case your respondent likes other fruits. Okay, so make sure to toggle the switch on for the required button. And then now let's add our next question. So right here, let us try to choose the paragraph. Now the question right here should be about explanation, since we choose the paragraph category. So we are expecting long answer text. So say for example, please explain why you chose these fruits. And then after that, you just have to toggle the switch on for the required button. Then for the last question, if you would like to add a drop down category, so you can do that as well. Okay, so you just have to do the same. You just have to type it right here, your question, and then the options. Now let's go ahead to the theme section. So I just have to click on this customize theme. And then right here for the header, you have your font style and then the font size. The question, you have here the font style and the font size as well. And for the text, you have the font style and the font size. So if you would like to make an edit, you can do that as well. Now, if you would like to add a header, so you can choose an image. So just click on the choose image option, and then you have here different categories for the image that you want to use. So for example, I would like to use this header. You just have to click on select, and then this image will be applied to your header. Now if you like to use a different color, so you can choose your color. And if you would like to see the responses of your respondents, so you just have to go to the responses section. So just click on it and you'll be able to see here all of the responses. Okay, and then next thing is you have to check everything thoroughly. Okay, so since this is a survey questionnaire, so you do not want to make any mistakes, since for example, you're using this form for your research. Okay, so you have to check everything thoroughly. And then now the next thing that you should do is you have to preview your form. Okay, so this is how it looks when someone open your survey questionnaire form. Okay, and then the next thing is how can you send this to your respondents. Okay, so to do that, you just have to click on the send button. So this one at the top right, so when you click on it, you've got different options. So for example, you would like to send us through email or through linked, or use embed HTML code. So for this one, I'm going to use the link. So when you click on it, you'll be able to copy the link and send it to your respondent. Now if you would like to shorten the links, you just have to click on it and then copy the link, and then you can use this shortened link to send it to your respondent. Okay, so when someone going to click on your link, they'll be redirected to your survey questionnaire form. Now if you would like to collect email addresses, so you just have to click on this option right here. So if you would like to collect a verified or respondent input, so you just have to select any of this. So now let's copy the shortened link, and then let's try to paste the link to a new tab, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so let me paste it over here. And as you can see, this is how our survey questionnaire form looks when someone view or someone click on the link that we have sent. Okay, so those are the things that you have to remember when you are creating a survey questionnaire form. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.